We're here today at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2003 Ford F-150 4x4 truck, extended cab, stock number CP13652BT. It's an FX4 off-road vehicle. Truck does show that it has a little bit of rust. Has some rust on the rear doors and the lower panels as well as the back of the truck. Would make somebody a nice work truck in a four-wheel drive. Does have the tow package on it. It is equipped with the V8. As you can see on the driver's side, we are showing some rust on the rear quarter panels as well as underneath the doors. It's an F-150 XLT. Automatic transmission. Does have power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, air conditioning, tilt steering, and cruise control. Take another walk around the outside of the vehicle, go over and take a look at the passenger or the driver's side. Got a manual seat. Once again, this is an automatic V8 2003 Ford F-150 XLT package. We're here today at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Piqua, Ohio. Any information on this truck, call 800-678-4188 and ask for Steve.